Hello, my students. Okay, you need to write the date. Today is Monday, 14th, 14th September 2020. Topic Robin Hood. Performance read page 4 to 9. I don't remember if I told with you about the reader book. We start to read the reader book, but if you don't have that, don't worry, because I send you the video, okay? No me acuerdo si les había dicho, pero vamos a empezar a leer los libros de lectura, el plan lector. Si no lo tienes, no es necesario que lo compres porque pues yo te voy a enviar los videos correspondientes. Ok, empezamos. Vamos a tratar de enviar los videos relacionados con las cartillas los días de video. Los días que tengas video, pues les envío cada capítulo de la historia. Ok, we start. Robin Hood. Look, he is Robin Hood. They are foresters. Forest, in the forest, the people who live in the forest. Okay, like this, here. Okay, yeah, if you have your book, you can open your book page 4. One sunny day, young Robin of Lux Lake was on his way. This is the way, look that, to Nottingham Town to take part in a shooting competition. Iba a una competencia de tiro. Oh, what is it? I like that. Okay, very good. And a shooting competition. Very good. Because the fair prize, who was a purse full of gold. The win of the competition is gold. And he was walking, walking through Sherwood Forest. This is the forest. Sherwood Forest, the name of this forest, okay? He go to the forest. Robin saw a group of foresters eating and drinking. Okay. He look, they drinking and eating. Okay, and they say, Forester, hello, young man, where are you going on this fine day? Yes, where are you going? ¿Hacia dónde va on this fine day? Look, here's Robin. Robin told the forest that he was going to the shooting competition on Nottingham, wait, town, aquí dice town. The forest loud, ha ha, you are too young, usted es muy joven. You are too young to be playing with balls and arrows, boy. Yes, está muy joven. I know, let's make a little bet. I'm going to choose a target. Voy a escoger un objetivo, le dice él. Le dice, voy a escoger usted está muy joven para estar jugando con arcos y flechas, le dice. Entonces como que lo presiona o le dice, wait for me, here. I'm going to choose a target, and if you can shoot it, I will give you 50 silver coins. Are you interested? Entonces mira como lo que le dice el hombre. I'm going to shoot, espérame. I'm going to choose a target. Voy a escoger un objetivo como para que el otro dispare, ¿sí? And if you can shoot it, si le puedes disparar a este, we will give you, entonces mira, nosotros te daremos 50 silver coins, 50 monedas de oro. No mentiras, de plata, de silver coins. Are you interested? Of course, choose the target. Yes, he said, oh yes, don't worry, you can choose anywhere. Do you see those deer over there? Shoot one of them. Entonces, mira, le dice, escoja, va a escoger un objetivo y le dice, look of deer. This animal is deer. Look of deer and shoot one of them. Yes, le dice, escoja y dispárele a uno de ellos. Apunte. The forester was pointing at the king deer, but Robin didn't know that they belonged to the king. Él no sabía, él apunta a uno de los venaditos del rey, pero Robin no sabía que eran del rey. He took aim and shot one of the deer. The animal fell dead, and the foresters jumped to their feet. You have killed one of the king's deer. Ha matado, ha matado on the king's deer. The animal is of the king. Yes, mató un venado del rey. You shouldn't. That is illegal. Now we will have to put you in jail. Okay? Sí, lo mató, le dicen que eso es ilegal y que ahora lo tienen que encarcelar. But you told me to shoot the deer. Yes, but you told me to shoot the deer. Get him mad. Don't let him get away. Oh, look that. And primero le dicen que le dispare y después le dicen que lo tienen que apresar. Y que lo cojan. Entonces él dice, Robin ran into the forest and the foresters caught him until he disappeared. Finally, he stopped running and sat down on a log to think. Robin was very sad. He thought about his home and about Marian, the girl he loved. If the king finds out what I have done, he'll put me in jail, or worse. I can never go back home again. I can never see Marian again. The forest will be my home now. Okay, look at that. Look here. And he ran in the forest. And finally he stopped running, and sit down, se sentó, sat down, el pasado de sit, sat down on a lawn to think, se sentó a pensar. Robin was very sad. He thought about home, Pensó en su hogar. And about Marian. Y pensó en una mujer llamada Marian. Una niña, perdón, o una joven. The girl he loved. La mujer o la niña que él amaba. La joven, más bien. If the king finds out what I haven't done, he put me in the jail or worse. Si el rey encuentra lo que él hizo, él piensa, ¿no? Que lo va a encarcelar o peor. I can never go back home again. Never, I can never. Yo no puedo. I can never go. No puedo ir a casa again, de nuevo. I can never see Marian again. The forest will be my home now. Okay, after that, the forest is his house, his home now. Okay, continue. And this activity you can do. If you don't have the book, please complete this activity in your notebook. If you have the book, complete in the book. Okay, look and write the names. Write the names of these and these and these and this. You do that. And now answer the question, circle A or B. What was the first prize in the shooting competition? A purse of gold, a new bow and arrows. Who and what, recuerda, what es qué o cuál era, cuál era. The first. Who, me refiero a una persona. Who did Robin meet on his way to Nottingham Town? Sorry. Who did Robin meet on his way to Nottingham Town? Okay, ¿a quién él se encontró? He met other people who were going to the competition, or he met a group of foresters. What? ¿Qué? What the target the forest chose Robin? ¿Cuál fue el objetivo que el forastero escogió? One of the trees in the forest, a deer that saw in the forest. Why did the forest want Robin in jail? Why? El por qué lo iban a encarcelar. Because he killed the king. Because he stole their money, debe ser money. Money, yes, aquí es money. Y aquí nos hace falta, porque no se alcanzó a ver por la foto, de king, deer. Deer, aquí dice deer. Okay, can Robin go back home now? Yes, he can. No, he can't. Where, puede, este es puede, aquí, where, ¿dónde? Where will Robin live from now on? Nottingham Town will be his home. The forest will be his home. Who did he think about when he was in the forest? ¿En quién pensó él? He thought about Marian, the girl he loved. He thought about the king and the foresters. Okay? Okay, my students, this is the activity for today. Don't forget, please, complete this activity. Don't forget. Okay? Bye in your notebook. Por favor, contéstelo en su libro o en su cuaderno. Bye, see you.